Hello world, welcome to another coding interview problem on LeetCode. So this problem is about finding the missing number in an array. There are a couple of ways of solving this problem, but the approach which we are going to take is using XOR because we want to solve this problem in big of n time complexity with big of one space complexity. So one thing what you want to know about XOR in Java is x XOR x is 0 and y XOR 0 is always y. So this is the main thing which you want to remember, and that's a key point in actually solving this problem. So the way we are going to solve this problem is, so let's suppose we have an array of numbers. Here a2 is a missing number in an array. We are going to take an array of elements 1 to n, which means like a1, a2, a3 and a4, and we're going to XOR both the arrays. So XOR in both the arrays means it would be a1 XOR a1 XOR, I'm just going to copy this, a2 XOR a2, sorry, it's going to be a2 only, a3 XOR a3, a4 XOR a4. So the result of this is going to be 0 XOR a2, which is a2. So this is the logic of this problem. Basically it's simple, but let's implement that in code considering big of one space complexity. So let's declare a variable called sum. So first we need to actually find the XOR of all the elements of an array from 1 to n. You actually can find from 1 to n, not 0, because it's actually understood. If you do XOR with 0, it's anyway going to be that number. So the first for loop will actually get the XOR of all the elements from 1 to n and store it in a variable called sum. The second for loop will actually do a XOR of all the elements in the given array, which is nums, and we're going to do the XOR with the sum. I think that's simple. So the time complexity of all this algorithm is big of n, and the space complexity is big of 1. Big of n is because at most we have one loop to loop through n elements of an array, and at a time we are actually storing one variable, that is sum. So we can actually test out with another input. That's it guys. Hope you liked this video, you enjoyed it, and see you back in the next video.